Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is going to be a little shout out video for some of my fellow yarn vloggers, and I'm just going through my subscription list in alphabetical order. I think I've got about 10 people here, and I'll do another one at some point in the future when I get a chance. Right now I'm actually about a mile into what's probably going to be a 3 or 4 mile jog slash run, if you can't tell by me being all yeah, I'm not a runner. Randy is not made for the cardio. I'd rather lift heavy things all day. It's a lot more fun that way. But I am here by American Lake on Fort Lewis in Washington right now. And we're not going to be living here for much longer, so I'm trying to enjoy being this close to a source of water as I possibly can while I can. So anyway, on to the channels that I feel are deserving of shout outs. The first one is a Crafty Crocheter. That actually starts with A, and that is Elizabeth. She does mostly things for charity. The next one is ACS Creations. That is Anna. She is a newer crocheter, but she's learning a lot of things and she's experimenting a lot. She's even designed a few of her own patterns, which is pretty cool. The third one is Blue Heart Crochet. She hasn't done very many videos lately, but I saw a post from her on Instagram recently, and she's gone through a lot of things in her personal life recently that have led to her being away, and she, as I am right now, is kind of rediscovering herself and her worth as a human being. She is in the UK, so go check her out. Next on the list is Brittany Morris. She is in Canada and she does all sorts of different things. The next one is candigoth Creations. That is Linny. She does a lot of different amigurumi, and she also has an Instagram where she does kind of fashion and style things. She'll do like an outfit of the day, which is pretty cool. She has a pin-up vintagey retro style that I really appreciate. Next is Crafted by Kelly. Kelly is actually near Jan Carruthers over in the UK. Sometimes they do videos together. She just recently changed her channel name. It used to be I'm Yarn Inspired. So if you're wondering where that channel went, she has changed the name. And Kelly has some really cool designs in her Etsy shop. She actually just designed a knitted sock pattern that she even had tech tested, which is crazy to me. Knitting patterns are horrifying and something I don't think I could ever manage on my own, honestly. The next one is Funny Farm Crochet. That is Becky. She is a letter carrier and she has a lot of different things that she does. She also has a lot of animals that she'll occasionally bring on video, which is pretty neat. The next one is Happy Crafty Homemaker. That is Carrie Penny. She is so adorable, and they are in the middle of moving right now, and they're having a lot of fun stuff that they're dealing with in regards to that. But she still has a lot of fibery content going up. I feel like you ladies are all going to make me up my game because I feel lazy because I haven't posted many videos lately. Next is Hooked by Happenstance. That is Kendra. She has a lot of economical, make things yourself at home style videos. She also has a really cool vlog that you should definitely check out, where she usually daily vlogs, but they're having some family crises that they're dealing with right now, so unfortunately she's not going to be posting videos for probably a couple of weeks. And the last one that I have for now is Joe's Web, and that is Joanna. She has some really cool cuddlers that she's made that I think you should definitely check out. She has a lot of different variations for them. And yeah, I think you'll enjoy all of those people. Definitely go give them a watch. And if it's something that you enjoy, drop a subscribe for them. So I'm going to get back to being gross and sweating and listening to some loud screamy music to motivate me to do so. So I hope you're all having an awesome day. Have an awesome weekend. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.